What if humanity was never meant to witness certain horrors? Dive into 50 unexplained phenomena that shatter reality. These forbidden glimpses challenge science, ignite fear, and beg the question, some doors should stay shut forever. 50. A tree trunk oozes sap, as if bleeding while still alive. This is known as the bleeding tree phenomenon. 49. The fish has a sleek, eel-like body that is long, tapered, and flattened. Its dazzling, mirror-like sheen comes from guanine crystals layered in its skin, which reflect light like tiny mirrors. 48. Sodium, a wildly reactive metal, unleashes one of chemistry's most explosive reactions with water. 47. Lake Natron in Tanzania is a caustic alkaline salt lake famous for its eerie blood-red hue and bizarre traits. Salt-loving microbes, such as hardy bacteria and algae, turn its waters a vivid crimson. 46. A chilling natural spectacle known as the breathing forest. Fierce winds make the forest floor seem to inhale and exhale. 45. This explosive test proves the cage's strength. It fully contains a bursting tire's massive force, shielding workers from deadly debris. 44.
This is liquid sulfur coming out of the fumes from the vent.
Kawah Ijen volcano in Indonesia hosts one of Earth's rarest spectacles, the Eerie blue fire fueled by the world's highest concentrations of sulfur. 43. Goniopora, or flower pot coral, instantly retracts its polyps at the slightest touch. 42. Witness this rare goat born with cyclopia, a freakish condition where the two eye orbits fail to divide and fuse into a single massive eye right in the center of its forehead. 41.
There's a fire in Shellville, and it's going straight up the middle of a tree.
During the 2017 California wildfires, cameras captured a surreal moment. A massive hollowed-out tree burned from the inside, glowing like a fiery lantern against the smoky night sky. 40. A rare natural spectacle unfolds as a massive waterfall cascades under a golden sky. 39.
Very neat. Sundogs in the sky. Kind of cool.
Sundogs, or parhelia, dazzle as bright light spots that appear on either or both sides of the sun, framed by a glowing 22-degree halo. 38. Estadio General Pablo Rojas, also known as La Nueva Olla, in Asunción, Paraguay, shakes and sways wildly as roaring fans leap and chant during an electric football match. 37. Check out this bizarre sight. A large, dark creature with a smiling face and glowing eyes interacts with a small child. 36. Dozens of praying mantis nymphs burst from their Utica egg case and clung to a chain-link fence. 35. This massive coordinated swarm serves as a clever defense tactic. The swirling flock confuses predators like peregrine falcons and makes it nearly impossible to single out one bird. 34. The Donosha mulberry tree in Montenegro is a living fountain that gushes water straight from its ancient trunk. (33) Despite its snake-like appearance, the blind cave dweller Typhlonectes natans, a caecilian, is closely related to frogs and salamanders, not reptiles or fish. 32. A massive flying fox bat, likely a giant golden-crowned flying fox and one of the world's largest bat species, has a wingspan stretching up to 6 feet. 31. An unidentified flying object, UFO, now called an unidentified anomalous phenomenon, UAP. 30. A brown chicken struts upright in a bizarre pose, sparking viral fame and earning its iconic title. 29. This dog is acting really bizarre. 28.
Bún bò, bún bò, trà sữa bún bò, bún bò, bún bò.
A crab's eerie underwater glide presents a bizarre, once-in-a-lifetime sight. 27. Sahar Tabar, whose real name is Fatime Kishvand, is the Iranian influencer who exploded onto the scene in 2017. Her Instagram blew up with wildly edited zombie photos mimicking Angelina Jolie, captivating millions worldwide. 26. The dancing tree of Sumatra, Indonesia, an eerie lone tree that sways in the wind like a human figure formed entirely from twisted branches. 25. Massive 60-foot sea monster, caught on camera near Mariana Trench. The ocean's strangeness knows no limits. 24. A tourist's shocking photo from Corfu, Greece, captures a bizarre sea creature that has scientists stumped. They still cannot identify it. 23. A spine-chilling digital horror unfolds into infinity. 22. Some toys create seriously frightening scenes. 21. Heavy rains and potential tornadoes unleash severe weather chaos in a nightmarish scene. 20. The Darvaza gas crater, better known as the Door to Hell, blazes in Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert. Despite its name, massive underground gas reserves have kept this fiery pit roaring non-stop for over 50 years. 19. The nutria, a hefty semi-aquatic rodent from South America, often gets mistaken for a giant rat or beaver. 18. A mesmerizing rarity. Thousands of perfectly round ice balls, known as ice eggs, mysteriously form across a frozen lake.
That is cool.
17. How is this even possible? Is someone invisible out there? 16. Guaraná, a climbing shrub native to Brazil's Amazon basin, produces fruit that ripens in clusters, resembling eerie human eyeballs. 15. At dusk, a massive colony of fruit bats, also called flying foxes, erupts into the sky. They stream from their roosts in a breathtaking exodus to hunt for food. The footage delivers a jaw-dropping close-up of the shark's razor-sharp mouth and teeth as it lunges at the camera. 13. This stunning optical effect occurs when sunlight scatters off tiny water droplets in the air. 12. Shocking footage. Jinn caught lurking in sinister cave shadows.
أبعد من هون تأذيني كيف بدك تأذيني
11. The Virginia opossum is the only marsupial native to North America. This solitary nocturnal critter is about the size of a house cat. 10. A massive road collapse rocks Aceh, Indonesia, and unleashes pure chaos. 9. A naturally occurring spectacle known as an ice shove, or ice tsunami, has been witnessed on large bodies of water worldwide. 8. A massive, terrifying tornado ravages the rural U.S. heartland.
And there's a lot of debris getting kicked up within this storm. Once again, a very powerful tornado now moving towards Wynnewood and Joy and Davis and Garvin County. This tornado.
7. Cinnamorium coccineum is a holoparasitic perennial flower with no chlorophyll. It is not a fungus or mushroom despite its appearance. 6. Normally, dogs didn't look like this. It formed a horrible picture with eyes gleaming unnaturally. 5. A rare split sunset lit up Florida's sky, symmetrically dividing it into two stunning halves. 4. Have you ever witnessed daytime fireworks? They create a mesmerizing, otherworldly scene. 3. Arthropleura roamed the Earth during the Carboniferous period around 300 million years ago. Fossils reveal these millipede-like behemoths stretched over 8 feet long. 2. A small figure clings to a rocky ledge amid dense forest surroundings. No one knows it's there. 1. A massive tornado rips through Colorado, captured live as it barrels across the highway.